folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to do a technical overview for you guys on the Drolet Bistro wood cook stove. So basically in this video I'm going to give you kind of all of your major facts right up front. I'm going to take you up close inside the firebox, in the top of the flue collar, and kind of show you the design of the stove here. So number one, Drolet products are produced in Canada. Number two, they come with a limited lifetime warranty. Number three, this stove does have outside air. Number four, it is also mobile home approved. It has a 6-inch clearance off the rear of the stove when using a double wall chimney to a combustible wall, and 15 inches from the side. If you're using a single wall chimney, you're going to have a 15-inch clearance off the rear. It has 2 oven rack slots, but only comes with 1 oven rack. Standard fire brick inside the firebox. It does have an ash pan, and it does have reburn tubes. And it has 1 single damper control. Here we have the bistro up close. Nice detailing on these cast iron doors, right? I like that. Those kind of details really add a lot to a product. Details, but then like nice kind of simple straight legs. These are the cook plates, those soapstone cook plates. These are a optional add-on, which are pretty cool. Inside the top unit, there's not like a damper that you're gonna see sliding right here because your damper control is located on the bottom. So that's just access to the oven right there. You can use this brush here that they provide to get in there and clean. There's just a little lip that comes off the back of the unit here. Simple kind of black wooden handles. People generally want to see the back of the stove, so it's basically just a painted black finish here with your safety label. This label has your clearances for the stove. It has your UL safety certificate, kind of all of the stuff that any insurance company or home inspector might want to be seeing. So you can see this oven is nice and wide. You could easily fit a turkey pan in here, no problem. Maybe even 2, like it's so wide you could get a lot of pans in there side by side. So that's kind of nice, I like that. Inside the firebox, you can see the standard fire brick. This is going to be your ash plug that simply lifts up to remove. Fire brick. You will see the air tubes here as well. It's also in a fairly good price point. Honestly, I think it's about $2,400 right now. That's 2022. But jeepers, the way prices have been skyrocketing, who knows? Again, I always say that prices change drastically. Don't hold me to my prices that I give you in videos, because things change, but I'm trying to throw numbers out there for you guys because I know that's a main question that I get a lot, and current pricing is always on the website. Okay, so you can always check there. There's a link to the website for this product in the description below. I hope that you guys find these product overviews helpful. If you like these videos, please don't forget, give them a thumbs up. The more that you like my videos, the more it makes me want to make more videos, honestly. So more likes, more videos. Don't forget to share them with a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.